YouTubers, this is Crazy Girl 9000 here. I just want to show y'all my normal day. There's Gabe over there dancing like an idiot. And he falls.
How's that normal?
Hi. Hi. My boyfriend Zach isn't here, which sucks. Oh, and my other channel is Little Miss Wiccan, but I really don't go on there much. Yeah. And this is upside down. I just noticed that. It's embarrassing.
It's a normal day.
Yeah. Wow, Ellen. Just wow.
No, Ellen.
This is my little brother. Not really little.
But he's weird.
Yeah, he's like a little brother. He's really my friend's little brother.
No, what's going on? I'm just going.
Go.
I'm over the
See you, Ellen.
See, I'll probably do that.
You might not. There's a whole bunch of dirt in that.
Right there.
I'm thinking of asking.
Right there is not a good place.
Go, Ellen.
That's not right there is not a good place. Yeah, that was just her name.
Come on. No. Yep. Nuh-uh. Come on, Ellen. Okay, here.
Oh no.
Come on, Ellen.
Oh,
what do you look at?
Nothing. Oh my God! What happened to the brother? Got that thing got chunk out of it. Okay, cool. Oh my God! I did not see that.
Hey. What are you doing?
Trying to look at that. Huh? Hey, I'm going inside and do it.
Fine. And that's it.
Hey, no light in here.
Show them that. Show them that.
That's me.
Yep, we're getting ready for Halloween.
That's Zach and that's Taylor.
Did you just say that's Zach and Taylor?
That's Zach. That's Taylor.
My head is not that tiny.
That's Stewie. That's Stewie. But you need to like take that right there out and take that.
Alright.
That's me. Yeah.
What? I just fell.
Not again.
My phone.
You should see one. Just fell down here.
Yeah, there was this.
And
There was.
just flatten it. Totally.
Yeah, there was this bush flowers here. My mom took them out because they were squished.
Yep. Find a way around this.
Here, show them. I was like this, and I wanted to go sit here, but I fell and sat down in the freaking flowers.
She's like this. She's like this.
I don't scream like that.
You're doing it all wrong.
You're doing it all wrong.
You're doing it all wrong.
No, I said whoa.
You gotta go. I'm hitting the corn. I'm hitting the corn. Oh my God. Whoa. I fell. Wait. Oh, let me see it.
What are you gonna film?
Look. No, she went.
We're getting ready for Halloween. I'm so excited. A fairy Indian warrior princess.
I'm going to zombie SWAT. I'm going to SWAT.
You're only getting
I'm being a SWAT. I'm being like a SWAT member that dead bride. So he's like a zombie. No, like robot dead bride.
Oh, that would be awesome.
I want to be a Slender Man.
Oh, you should be a cyborg bride.
A cyborg Slender Man.
Oh. He's gonna be Slender Man.
Well, he is gonna be Slender Man, but I'm not sure if I am.
Stop it, bro.
Give me.
You're not a zombie, bro, because we played Black Ops.
Give it.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's thundering.
Watch this. Hello. Hey, film like this one. Ready? Listen, I saw this. Look at that. it.
Yeah? I'm gonna end it here. Wait, guys. Guys, what should I call my audience? Like PewDiePie calling bros?
Brother.
You're not. You're fine.
Ready? I'm gonna climb that tree. Ready? Call 'em bros.
No, PewDiePie already's got bros.
Yes.
I'm already a part of the bro army. So that would be wrong. What should I call them? My buds? No.
The light bulb.
Crazy buds.
Taylor.
Because my name is Crazy Girl, so Crazy Buds.
Yeah, Crazy Buds.
Yeah. See y'all later, Crazy.
Number one, I think way better. Look how real this looks. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure what they're doing. They're just crazy. Just like me. Make sure to call 911.
Okay.
I'm good.
Ellen, go.
No. Not again.
Here, you film.
Yeah,
right.
film me. Hello.
Hi. Random cars. Two random cars. Three random cars. Taylor. Aaron.
Come here.
Yeah. Okay then.
Look at that.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think you need a Hello Kitty Band-Aid for that. He don't need no Band-Aid, he's a bruise. Yep. Yeah.
Hello Kitty. It's like Mary on stuff.
Alright, my phone is getting soaked, so I think I should put her away.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Crazy Bud. See you later.